To check IMEI number of your iPhone, we are here with various methods you can use. So let's get started. Firstly, using the phone app. Open the phone app and go to the keypad. Then dial *#06# and the IMEI number will automatically appear on your screen. Now, the second method is in the Settings app. All you have to do is go to your home screen and look for the Settings app and simply tap on it. Once done so, tap on the General option of level inside the Settings app. Once you tap on the General, tap on the About. Now inside About, scroll down to find the IMEI number listed along with other details like the serial number, model number and etc. Now the method 3 is on the device packaging if you still have it. If you still have the original box that your iPhone came in, the IMEI number is often printed on the label on the outside of the box. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.